In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send documents for signature in Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are logged in to Zoho People and you are on the main dashboard. We will be working from the Files area because that is where documents are stored and managed before you send them out for approval or signature. This process is useful for policies, agreements, and any internal document that needs a formal sign-off. Start by looking at the left sidebar and clicking Files. This opens the File Management section where you can access different file locations. Next, select Organization Files. Organization Files is typically where shared company documents live, so it is a common place to keep templates and forms that are sent to multiple people. Once you are in Organization Files, locate the document you want to send for signature. Take your time to confirm you have the correct file and the most up-to-date version. Sending the wrong version can create confusion for recipients and may require you to resend the request. When you find the document, hover your mouse over it. You should see additional options appear. Click the More option, which is shown as a three-dot icon. This opens a menu with actions you can perform on that file. From that menu, select Send for e-signature. Zoho People will then take you into the e-signature setup screen, where you prepare the document for signing. Now add your recipients. Enter the people who need to sign, and make sure the recipient details are correct before moving forward. The recipients you add here will receive the signature request, so accuracy matters. Next, drag and drop the signature field onto the document in the correct location. Place it carefully where you want the signer to sign. If the signature field is not placed correctly, the recipient may have trouble completing the request or may sign in the wrong spot. When everything looks right, click Send. Zoho People will send the document out for e-signature to the recipients you selected, and they will be able to review and sign it through the provided request. And that is all there is to it.